feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and close. In a shame for that.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed and greatest my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen line and line. Speak up on yourself, anyone there, all I love. Give thanks for our continuous support. We say good over evil, and we get rid of the worm and the weevil. You see me, I say we're strong like a lion, we're not feeble. You see it? Yes. Coming up in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, no long talking, my general bounty killer. You know what I mean? After I'm just victorious, well, come out of a war, end the war with him and such man, you know, because I don't know, it'll get personal and out of hand, and people are losing their channel and them things, you see me? But anyway, Bounty Killer and Sizzler, Kalonji have a song name, all them for fight, reggae music. See it there? I don't know, I see it on Inns Rastafari Mix Master, I just book it up, so I don't know reggae music. We need back some reggae music in the country, in the world, on the airwaves, and the clean, righteous Rasta man, them live clean. Songs them fair play, including myself, because I will have a reggae song, me have a reggae EP for drop name, Welcome to Kingston. You see me? Yes man, some viewers and subscribers no long talking. And we're going to please go check out my song Who Feels It Knows. You see me, I said the song when them roll back 2018 because we never have the money to give them. You see, but anyway, let's get into the song right now.
Dance all along reggae. To the people that we always did it. Hey yo, you know it's Rodney and Miguel.
Nice rhythm, you know. Dance all on reggae. For the people that we always did it. You know it's Rodney and Miguel. You're going to let that song out. Shell.
Coming and fight the music. What up with them? No mercy. You know we shall attack them like the great.
I'm not lie, this is a damn good look. You see me, I say big collab this, Bounty Killer and Sizzler. Big collab.
Big up the reggae artists. Big up the foundation, them we start.
Hey yo, Judgment Yard.
Reggae Mix Master.
Yes man, big up every reggae artist, big up the foundation them start it. Unification, purification, big up yourself, dada. Judgment Yard. How do them?
How them fi fight reggae music. Keep me moving, keep me grooving.
Fighting the people.
Them fight get from culture, yeah, them lose it. You better move it, because I'm cruising.
This is what they call reggae music. How them for fight reggae music, we keep you moving and grooving. How them for fight against the people them. Hey, them lose them weight and them lose them sanity. Them not put nothing in their music, but them want to come take it.
How them fi fight reggae music. Keep me moving, keep me grooving. Them fight get from culture, yeah, them lose it. You better move it, because I'm cruising.
Nah, like that song you come like it a aim at the Babylon, them the bigger the government, them go like say them want come claim reggae music and them fight it and go like say them with it. You see what me I say? Beat them Bounty, beat them Kalonji.
So let the trumpet sound, let the trumpet sound, let the trumpet sound. Babylon going down, yo.
Hey yo, what happened to them? Sound they are bang. People dead. Babylon going down.
Let the trumpet sound, let the trumpet sound, let the trumpet sound. Wicked Babylon, they're going down.
One dada, one wrong God. Yes man, it's such a joy if you're listening to that song right now. We need back some of them songs in the Jamaica right now on the airwaves. You see what I say? Yeah man.
Them can't tell me nothing, them a hide me from the truth. Them a reap not from the tree, yet still them stifle in the road.
Yeah man, them can't tell me nothing, them a hide from the truth. Them a rape, not from where we create, but still them stifling the road. That's what I say. We put in the work and them reap our fight and act like say them with us. But them not with us.
If you fight the music and the people fight them, you want mute. The same people you come from for your campaign execute.
Me nah like, you know why I love that song, yeah? Me nah hear a song like them and make again a voice again, you see me? Bounty Killer say you fight against the music and the people them voice, you mute. And are the same people them use for your campaign execute. You see me I say? Be a truth and rice man. You see them use we and then them refuse we. You see, well not me, cause me not vote again. Big up yourself, job last.
That's happening. Mr. Man, your policy them frustrating. The lies you tell to we have that need of help. Say you support the music, no we don't say it. That's why we can't rate them cars.
What do you mean, me general? Me worse I can't rate them. Bro God, your policy frustrating. I be like you tell you man. You sell out the island and the country and the people them.
How them fi fight reggae music. Keep me moving, keep me grooving. Them fight get from culture, yeah them lose it. Them better move it.
Boy, yeah, dada ask, how them for fight reggae music? They don't say reggae music beat out corruption and burn Babylon, and you see me I say, and fight against injustice. That's why them a fight it, because them a what? Babylon.
How them for fight reggae music? Give me moving, give me grooving. Them fight against some culture, yeah, them lose it. Them better move it, because them lose it.
Hey, all the lovers them of reggae. Oh, that one there sound. Let me know in the comment section below. We're going to leave the link so they can go listen to the song fully. Say? Yeah, man.
To this island, reggae music brought the most tourism. Them a collect reggae money, me know yeah, them can rhythm. But them own reggae, me know you not them schism.
Why, yeah, that chant loud and clear. Them a reggae music bring in the most tourism. Them a collect reggae money and we know hear them pan a rhythm. You see me, we know hear them schism. You see me, I say them a report of it and I yet still them a fight against it. You see me?
Police never beat them up and bring them in a prison. Send them one reggae, but who give him? No one ever me and Peter touch woulda kill him. But Marley woulda box him, Bonnie Willa woulda pick him.
Well, and who that talk? If you say him one reggae music, I will give him. Police never beat none of them and throw them in a prison. You see me, I say, you know much thing Rasta go through back in the foundation, the creation of reggae. Whole heap of tribble and tribulation, Rasta get whole heap of styling. Pocket and all of them things, they don't want to see no natty. So that's Islamic, I know, so who boy more reggae, I will give him. Peter Touch would have kill him, Bob Marley, Bonnie Willa would have kick him, and Bob Marley would have, hey, yo.
Black people own reggae from the beginning. This guy, the mentor, merengue every damn day.
People now hear that? Young generation, new artists, now hear that? Black people own reggae music from the beginning. The scare, the mentor, merengue every damn thing.
One thing, reggae fight against slavery, and the wrong thing. If you this Selassie, you get a spanking, Rasta say.
People now listen to words and big up Foota hype. When Foota hear this, me know Foota must love it. Hey, somebody talk Foota on this day. The man said the one thing, reggae fight against slavery, and the wrong thing. You see me I say, and for this Selassie, you get a spanking. So that's why I say Foota always about him fire and I say the rest of them now live righteous because them a work with certain people and them a do certain things where them should not do. Which you don't know the alphabet people, but you don't know Lion Foot say is to them one. Me not stop say that. But we know where Foota help us still. You see it? Yeah man, big up Foota, big up Kalonji, big up Killer.
How them they fight reggae music? Keep me moving, keep me grooving. Them fight get some culture, yeah them lose it. They better move it because I'm losing.
Yes, my people, we've come to the end of this review. Yeah, so me I say, all them for fight reggae music. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching out the vlog. If you have done so, don't forget to like and share the content. You don't know, stay tuned because we'll review some more songs soon. See? Yeah, man. You know, Bounty Killer have a next collab with Cecile. So we're going to run through that one soon. Alright? Big up on yourself.
How them for fight reggae music? As Rastafari mix master.
Who feels it knows who feels it knows. Growing up my life wasn't easy. Believe me, it wasn't a better house.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.